Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel UGC Net and Gate Studios. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, we are going to be informing you about the various vacancies for the post of professor, assistant professor and associate professors in different government colleges and universities. So let's get into the first notification. This is a notification from National Institute of Technology, Warangal, and the post is ad hoc faculty positions in the Department of Chemical Engineering. So, guys, here the department is Chemical Engineering, and the post is on an ad hoc basis. So, let's get into the notification. Applications are invited for ad hoc faculty positions purely on temporary basis in the Department of Chemical Engineering of NIT Warangal. So, the university's name is NIT Warangal and the department is of chemical engineering, guys, and the number of positions are 2 for August to December 2021 session. So you have to, if you are selected, then you have to work here from August to December 2021. Based on the performance, the duration will be extended for one more semester. Like if you perform well, your tenure may be extended for one more semester, which is from January 2022 to May 2022. So let's get into the eligibility criteria, guys. For position 1, eligibility for position 1. So essential qualifications are BTech in chemical engineering and MTech in chemical engineering or related areas with first class at both UG and PG levels. And guys, the desirable qualification here is if you have a PhD degree in the relevant area. And eligibility for position 2 is essential qualifications BTech in chemical engineering, biotechnology, instrumentation and control engineering, electrical engineering and electronics and instrumentation allied specialization, and you have to have a MTech in process control or systems and control engineering or control systems or allied areas with first class at both UG and PG levels. Guys, here also desirable qualification is if you are having a PhD degree in the relevant area. So the pay package is also mentioned here, as you can see, is rupees 60,000 per month for PhD holders and rupees 50,000 per month for candidates who submitted PhD thesis or with MTech degree. So the general information is given here. How to apply. Applications in the prescribed format with the scanned copies of certificates should reach by email to the head, Department of Chemical Engineering, NIT Warangal, on or before 8th of August 2021. Guys, please note the last date of submitting the application form is 8th of August 2021 and the email address is also attached here, to which you have to send your scanned copy. Names of the shortlisted candidates for interview will be displayed on the institute website by 10th of August 2021. No separate call letter will be sent to the shortlisted candidates. So you have to check their page to review the shortlisted candidates list. It will be out latest by 10th of August 2021. The shortlisted candidates are required to attend an interview to be held tentatively on 13th of August 2021 through video conference mode or Google Meet. So guys, this is not an offline interview. Instead, this is an online interview which will be held through video conference mode or through the application Google Meet. Further details will be shared. Selected candidates are required to join immediately. Guys, if you are selected, they are requested you to join immediately. And they have also attached a copy of the application form here. As you can see, you have to fill in your personal details, your photograph, as well as educational qualifications, and put a signature here and submit the application form latest by, guys, 8th of August 2021. So the last date here is 8th of August 2021. So please, if you fill in, if you are eligible, then please do fill up the form and submit it. So there's another notification, guys. Let's get into it. This is from Acharya Nagarjuna University, Nagarjuna Nagar, Guntur district, Andhra Pradesh. So this notification was published on the 31st of July 2021. Applications in the prescribed performa are invited from the qualified candidates as per the UGC revised regulations 2016 for filling up the following backlog vacancies of associate professors and assistant professors in the UGC pay scales in Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur, AP, India, so as to reach the undersigned in person or by post by 5 p.m. on or before 20th of August 2021. along with the cross SBI demand draft for rupees 500 payable in favor of the registrar, Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur. Here, guys, the IFSC code is also mentioned here, and the qualifications prescribed and other conditions applicable along with the application form can be downloaded from the university website, which is given here. You can directly visit the website, which is www.anu.ac.in. The notification is issued in suppression of earlier notification of the university, which was dated on 4th of October 2027. So guys, here the different posts are mentioned. For the post of associate professor for the arts group, the department is English. There's only one vacancy, and you'll get 8 roster points. Reservation is for scheduled tribe women. And for the post of assistant professor, again arts group, the department is rural development, and number of posts are 1, and you have reservation for scheduled tribe women. And for the post of assistant professor, it is the engineering group, and the department is computer science and engineering. Here as well, there's only one post. So let's get into the official notification. Guys, the last date is 20th of August 2021, within which you have to submit your application form. Here the eligibility criteria is also mentioned. A master's degree with 55% marks in concerned relevant subject from an Indian university or an equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university. Besides fulfilling the above qualifications, the candidate must have cleared the national eligibility test conducted by the UGC or CSIR or a similar test accredited by the UGC like SLET or SET. So guys, you have to have cleared the UGC NET exam or the SLET exam or the SET exam, or if you have been awarded a PhD degree in accordance with the University Grants Commission. Now, provided the candidates registered for PhD program uh, prior to July 11, 2009 shall be governed by the provisions of the then existing ordinances, bylaws, regulations of the institution awarding the degree, and such PhD candidates shall be exempted from the requirement of NET, SLET or SET for recruitment and appointment of associate, assistant professor or equivalent positions in universities or colleges. So guys, here the criteria is clearly mentioned on a step-by-step basis. The PhD degree, or you can see, or the PhD degree has been obtained from a foreign university among the, which is with a ranking of among top 500 in the world university ranking by any one of the following. So guys, here the name is also there. An important point, the academic score as specified in Appendix 2 for universities and Appendix 2 for colleges shall be considered for shortlisting of the candidates for interview only, and the selection shall be based only on the performance in the interview. So guys, here also they have mentioned how they will select you for the interview, and if you excel in the interview, you will be shortlisted for the post. Eligibility for the associate professor, a good academic record with a PhD degree in the concerned discipline, a master's degree with at least 55% of marks, a minimum of 8 years of experience of teaching and or research in an academic research position equivalent to that of assistant professor in a university. So guys, for associate professor, you need to have 8 years of minimum of 8 years of experience. And guys, so the general instructions are also mentioned here. You can check these out. And if you're applying from abroad, candidates applying from abroad may note that the registration fee for each application US is $50. A demand draft drawn in favor registrar, Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh, India, payable at State Bank of India, Guntur, main branch, Andhra Pradesh, India for US $50 should be attached to the filled in application along with all necessary documents. The copy of the filled in application should be sent by email for the applications from abroad to the registrar of Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh, India to the following ID. Here the ID is also mentioned. However, hard copy of the application has to be sent to the registrar by post. So guys, this is a very good opportunity for people living in the abroad. You can also apply to this university. If found qualified to be called for interview, candidates from abroad will be informed at short notice by email. So they will notify you via email, and they must attend the interview in person at the designated place in India by their own cost. Guys, you can come if you are shortlisted. You can come and sit for the interview. They will notify you via mail, and they will give in a short period of time. You have to come and attend the interview. So, guys, this is it for today's notification about the jobs. Another important thing, our channel UGC Net and Gate Studios completely focuses on solving all the question papers of UGC Net which were asked in the recent 10 years. So guys, recently we are doing 2020 question papers of June 2020 question papers of computer science. So here in our page, all the questions asked are solved in a step-by-step basis, and you can refer to our videos to gain knowledge about that particular concept or that particular question, so that you will be able to solve any questions of that type. So it is clear, it is explained in a very clear manner, so that you can learn the concept by heart. So if you are interested to qualify UGC Net, then do visit our page, or the GATE examination. Do visit our page; it will be very helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and share with your friends, so that they can use our channel to the full advantage. Thank you.